Hello guys, welcome to another video on GH Crypto Guy on YouTube. Today's video I'm going to be talking about how to sell Bitcoin in Ghana for mobile money in 2022. I have been talking about how to buy Bitcoin for so many years on this particular YouTube channel. It's time for me to talk about how to sell. Maybe you want to become a trader that buys and sells Bitcoin in Ghana often, or you want to exchange your Bitcoin profits for Ghana Cedi. Whatever the situation is, I am here for you. So today we are going to be talking about that, and we are going to be using Binance. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you may be using other platforms, but my preferred option for buying and selling Bitcoin in Ghana specifically is the Binance app. So what you can do is use the link in the description or in the video bio, and you can find my link there. Click on the link, sign up on Binance. You get 5% off all your trading fees when it comes to spot trading, and that should be it. You are ready for this particular video. Let's get into it. Yes, so as I was saying, you have to create a Binance account. If you have created the Binance account, then you are good to go. Now, the next thing is to verify your account. Verification is a normal practice in all financial industries. Provide any of your national identification cards, your Ghana card, passport, or your driver's license. It's a normal thing. Don't be worried about it. Every financial application asks you to verify your account, so don't be bothered about it. It's a normal practice in financial technology. Now that you are done with your verification, which you did with your passport, your Ghana card, or your driver's license, you are ready to go. So I'm going to show you how to do that, how to do the selling in the video that is about to play. Check it out, and then I'll be back to explain a few things. When you open your Binance app, first thing you have to do is to go to your wallet. Since you already have Bitcoin in your wallet, go to your funding wallet, because that is where you can put money to trade on Binance P2P. If you don't have money in your funding wallet, go to your spot wallet, transfer your money from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. But I already have money in my funding wallet, so I'll go to my funding wallet and click on P2P at the top with the icon you see there. There's another way to find your P2P. Go to the trade section at the bottom and then click P2P at the top. Now that you are on the P2P side of things, make sure that you are at the sell section. There's a buy and a sell section, so click sell. Now make sure you click on BTC because you're about to sell Bitcoin. Now scroll and find all the people that are trying to buy, and then select one person. Usually select people that are verified because they are safer. So I'm selecting mighty_GH. Now you can enter the amount you want to sell. You can enter the amount in BTC value. I personally prefer entering the amount in Ghana Cedi value, because then I know the amount of Ghana Cedi I'm about to receive, and I can calculate it that way. So I'm going to sell 300 cedis here. So I'm going to type 300 cedis now, and then after I'm done, I'm going to click on sell. Now that I have clicked on sell, I would have to wait for the person who is buying from me to send me my money via mobile money. The great thing with Binance P2P is, while I'm waiting, I can send a text to the person who is buying using the chat function. So I'm going to send him a text and say something like, I'm going to release the money as soon as you send me my money. So Binance makes you wait for the person to send you the money via mobile money. You confirm that you have received the money before Binance releases the money to the person. That way there are no scammers and nobody gets cheated. So I've sent him the text. So now I am going to wait for him to send me the money. It may take a while sometimes. I have received the money, or he says he has sent me the money. So I'm going to check if I've actually received the money. Yes, I have. Now I'm going to confirm that I have received the money, and I'm going to second option, confirm once again, confirm, and I've sold 300 Ghana Cedis Bitcoin on Binance. Great. So I hope that tutorial helps. Now you can sell Bitcoin on Binance. You can use the same method to sell Ethereum, USDT, BUSD on Binance using Binance P2P. If you liked this video, please subscribe, leave me a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll respond to them as soon as possible. You can also reach out to me on Twitter at GHCryptoGuy. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.